In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Clash Royale using your Supercell ID. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials just like so. Now, when you're logged out, the game is going to show a screen prompting you to log in. Go ahead and select the Login with Supercell ID section, and it's going to pull up a page just like so. You're going to want to go ahead and click Continue on this page, and then it's going to say Log in with your Supercell ID, where you'll be prompted to enter in the email that you have associated with your account. I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. After doing so, it's going to send you a verification email. Go ahead and type in the code and then select your account and hit load. But yeah, that's it. Super quick, super easy. I hope this video helped you out if you were having any issues. Make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Clash Royale guides, tips, and tricks. It really does help out the channel, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.